Hi, my name is Klaus. I'm your inspector today. I'm just coming to the end of the inspection, just the road is left. So the bodywork, as you can see, previous welding works all the way around, alongside corrosion eater in the corner of the door. Obviously, that is getting kind of weak. You probably would need welding or getting a new door at some point. Interior as well, poor, worn, business used van, as you would expect. I'm struggling to communicate with some, get some codes, but it wouldn't be anything too much for this. The global light stays on while engine is running. Again, everything from the middle above, its original paint. There's no structural damage, but we could be involved in an accident. But however, obviously all the corrosion affected all the way around by the perimeter of the van. Roof is very dirty, many corrosion spots all the way around from the midsection above. So as long as around the windscreen. As you can see, they're painted with the probably the roller or the brush, you know. So that's the car. So regards to both wheel bearings, has plain needs adjustment. All brake hoses are badly cracked, MOT failure, safety issue, needs replacing. Again, some corrosion marks on the roof, some corrosion marks on a seal, in a door, is in the door section. The cargo area is fine. Again, few corrosion there. All the safety straps are missing when you're opening the doors. Safety concern. The doors itself, let me just put this lock back after it. They are closing. Clusters are broken that side. This side is still acceptable. The sections of the corner of the bumper are missing. You shouldn't be towing anything on it. There's a structural corrosion there. You'll see the pictures where the tow bar is attached, so it needs welding. As well, kind of dangerous. The leaf spring clamps are loose, so it's not holding. On the left side, shock absorber mounting is bent. This section here around where the towing guy is attached is corroded, not heavily, but needs some attention. Tools are missing on this. Same thing around here, around the doors. Would need some welding at some point. So this side, again, same thing with this door. And again, everything being welded on the sides. But otherwise the underside is not so bad. Coming back to engine bay, broken air inlet, battery not secured, corrosion issue, more likely would need some the bolt broken, so we'll need to refit them properly and get the bolts out. This new pump fitted. The guy has spent several £1,000s in 2 years to get this vehicle sorted. The new rack fitted, but there's still a bit of play in it. However, there's no any leaks, a bit of residue here. So yeah, van would need near right tire, uneven tire wear, uneven pad wear on the 40% on the left, and it's about 60% 55 on this side. So discs are worn. So if the brake force is not even, you would need rear pads, disc cam pads, and also the brake force adjuster for the back is seized, it's not working, and basically it's just you'll see in the pictures. I took a picture, and anti-roll bar bush is completely worn, needs replacing. Exhaust has a nice hole in it. That's pretty much of it of this vehicle. I will go for the road test now. I will talk to you soon. Bye.